Right, I've taken delivery now of 6 metres of pipe, so first thing to do is to mark these up and get them cut to size. Right, now I've got to see if we can hide this lot out of the way somewhere. Now, I know I've got a lot of pipe left there, 4 metres to be exact. I am thinking of giving Jodie B an extra couple of tanks for the summer, so failing that, I've got an idea to make 40 plant pots for the garden. Right, let's see how accurate my cut was. I did try to make it really accurate. Oh, that's not bad at all. There, look, you can just about see I've got about 1 millimetre. Now, it's not ideal, but it's okay. So let's get this welded on. Got the earth strap attached to the base like that with a plate. Hope that's going to be okay, just to tack it on. I'm just going to rub it down with some acetone. Okay, so I'm getting a much better result now, much more happy with that, much better colour. I mean, it's still not perfect, but it's certainly much better than I was getting it before with my previous method. So flipping heck, don't touch it, it's red hot. I'll just clean that up in a minute once it's cooled down. Now I've got to, in my enthusiasm to get this done, I've make sure I've got to remember to put the pipe nipple in for the valve before I put the other end on. So let's do that first. Now, this is not a particularly scientific way of doing this. That's quite bearable. I'll see if I can keep going around. That was a stupid idea. I'm just going to use the plasma cutter because that's what it's for. Let's move the logs out of the way. I've rigged up a bucket to sort of attempt to cut the bits, and I'm just going to go round like that. What could possibly go wrong? just sort of just chomping away at it, and it's not far off now. I'm just going to do the other one at the same time. Right, I've got this done, and I've sliced it off at like that sort of an angle on the other side. That's one I did earlier and kind of got wrong. So it's like that, and I'm just going to weld it on now. So I've welded that on now. So I've literally just finished. So I'm just going to wait for that to cool down, and then clean that up. So while I'm waiting for it to cool down, I'm just going to just try and tidy this up a bit on the inside. Oh, look at that! Almost looks like my CAD model. Welded this side as well. I'm just tidying it up a bit. Just went round with the carbide thing. Probably overdoing it really. That's perfectly fine, nice and smooth. It's ready to go on. So I'm just prepping up the top cap. It's amazing how not round stuff is, despite this being proper pipe. I'm assuming that the cap is probably rounder than, or more correct than the pipe, but anyway, way better than it was before. Okay, so that's as much as I can do today, because I've got to go to work of all things on a blinking Saturday.